Hi everyone, seeing channel is currently unavailable on your Spectrum box. In this video, we will explain what it means and show you how to fix it fast. The message Spectrum channel is currently unavailable, please try again later is typically caused by a signal issue or a line issue. This can occur due to weak signal strength, problems with the cable connection, or issue with the service provider's infrastructure. Fix 1. Check your guide option and filters. Ensure that you are not filtering out channels in your guide. Press the options button or the A button on your remote control to open the guide option menu. Select filter channels. Ensure that you are not filtering out channels in your guide. Choose a category from the option all channels, favorites, sports, movies, kids and family or news. If a filter is active, you will see a check mark in the upper right corner of the category box. To remove a filter, repeat the steps and unselect the category you choose. The guide will refresh automatically to show all channels again. Fix 2. Review parental controls. If only adult titles or specific channels are missing, parental controls might be blocking those channels. Access the parental control settings and adjust them accordingly to allow viewing. Press menu button from the remote. Go to parental controls and click parent control settings. Go to channel restrictions, unlock the channel if it is locked, click save button. Fix C. Confirm channel lineup. Verify that the channels you expect to see are included in your subscription package. Log in and go to Spectrum's online channel lineup tool to confirm which channels are available with your plan. Fix 4. Refresh your signal. Log into your Spectrum account via the website or app. I have provided the link in the description. You can directly go through it. Navigate to the Services tab, select TV and choose Experiencing Issues to refresh your equipment signal. Fix 5. Inspect cables and connections. Make sure all cables are securely connected to your cable box and TV. Loose connections can lead to service disruptions. Check that the coax cable is properly connected to the cable outlet on the wall. If using an HDMI connection, verify that the HDMI cable is securely connected to both the receiver and the TV. Remember that boot up sequencing can take several minutes to complete as carousel information leads, so be patient during this process. Fix 6. Reboot the cable box. Rebooting refreshes the box connection and clear temporary glitches in the system. Unplug the power cord from the back of the cable box. Wait for at least 60 seconds before plugging it back in. Allowing the system to fully reset, plug the power cord back in and allow the box to reboot. This process may take several minutes. Fix 7. Check for service outages. If you are facing the issue on getting all the channels, there might be an issue with the server. Visit Spectrum's outage information page to see if there are any reported outages in your area. I have provided the link in the description. You can directly go through it. Then scroll down and click Chat with this button. Click I'm in outage to know the status. Fix 8. Contact Spectrum support. Persistent issues may require professional assistance. Reach out to Spectrum's customer support via their contact us page. I have provided the link in the description. You can directly go through it. Provide details about the troubleshooting steps you have already taken for more efficient assistance. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please hit the like button. If you want to see more videos, hit the subscribe button.